DeepSeek R170B, advanced open source AI now on Venice. Use DeepSeek in Venice to prevent all your data from going to the CCP. Venice Pro users can now use DeepSeek R170B. DeepSeek outperforms Llama 3 across key benchmarks with innovative training methods. Features 30K token context window on Venice and 56.8 tokens second output speed. Access DeepSeek via Venice Pro or the Venice API with VVV staking. Venice offers access to breakthrough AI through carefully curated, open-source models. DeepSeek R170B represents a significant shift in AI development, proving that innovative training methods can match or exceed the capabilities of today's mainstream models requiring massive computational resources. Why DeepSeek R170B matters. DeepSeek R170B challenges the assumption that advanced AI requires enormous computing power. Through sophisticated training approaches rather than raw computational force, it demonstrates remarkable performance while maintaining efficiency. The model achieves a groundbreaking 97.3% accuracy on the Math 500 benchmark and demonstrates expert-level coding abilities with a 2029 Elo rating on Codeforces. DeepSeek R170B employs an innovative approach called test time or inference time compute, which transforms how the model tackles complex reasoning tasks. Instead of generating immediate responses, the model breaks down queries into smaller, manageable tasks and shows its complete thought process. The launch has significantly disrupted the AI market, causing ripples through the industry and demonstrating that high-quality AI can be achieved with fewer resources. This efficiency translates directly to accessibility and cost-effectiveness for developers, organizations, and AI platforms like Venice. How DeepSeek R170B compares to leading models. DeepSeek R170B stands out through several key metrics. It delivers faster output speeds than GPT-4 and Llama 3, while maintaining competitive accuracy scores across major benchmarks. The model's 30K context window provides ample space for complex tasks without the computational overhead of larger models. How to generate code with DeepSeek. Let's explore how to use DeepSeek R170B in Venice for practical code generation. We'll create a web scraper that demonstrates the model's ability to handle complex programming tasks while maintaining Venice's commitment to privacy. Step 1. Visit Venice.ai and select coding mode. Go to Venice.ai and choose DeepSeek R170B from the model dropdown. Then, select the Build Code mode. Unlike other platforms that store your code in prompts, Venice only stores conversations and data privately in your browser. Step 2. Write your code generation prompt. Tell DeepSeek what you want to build. Here's an example prompt. Create a Python web scraper that uses Beautiful Soup to extract headlines from news websites, saves the data to CSV files with timestamps, includes error handling and logging, uses classes for better organization. Please explain how each part works. Step 3. Review the generated code. DeepSeek in Venice will provide a structured implementation explaining each step. Toggle the thought process dropdown to see how DeepSeek interpreted your prompt and generated the answer. See the full conversation with DeepSeek in Venice here. Using DeepSeek through the Venice API. Venice's API provides programmatic access to DeepSeek R170B while maintaining our commitment to privacy and unrestricted AI. Through VVV, you can access AI inference without per-request fees or usage tracking. When you stake VVV tokens, you receive ongoing access to Venice's API capabilities proportional to your stake size. This approach eliminates traditional API pricing models while ensuring fair resource allocation. Your stake determines your share of total inference capacity, allowing you to make calls to DeepSeek R170B and other models without additional costs. Go to Venice.ai/token, where you can stake VVV tokens. Each token represents a share of Venice's total API capacity, providing predictable, ongoing access to powerful AI capabilities while maximizing user privacy. Start building with DeepSeek today. Most people don't want all their data and conversations stored with the CCP. With Venice, it's not stored anywhere but your own browser. Venice makes advanced AI accessible while maximizing privacy and creative freedom. Whether you're exploring DeepSeek's capabilities through our web interface or building applications with our API, your interactions remain private and unrestricted. Visit Venice.ai to begin working with DeepSeek R170B today. For developers building applications, consider our API access through VVV staking. It provides the same powerful capabilities with programmatic access and predictable resource allocation.